Emily Baker. I'm a research scientist at Aruna Bio, and I've been here for about 2 years. Basically, we have a chief scientific officer, and he kind of directs the strategy that our science is going. And so he's like, I have an idea of an experiment or a therapy we'd like to develop, and so I'd like for you to work with the team to design an experiment to answer certain questions about a potential therapy. I play kind of a bigger leadership role in the types of experiments that are conducted, and so I lead up all of the animal modeling. And so the animals that we get in, they have had a stroke, and so we are administering the exosomes and determining whether they recover from those strokes. And so I'm designing and executing those types of experiments. My bachelor's degree is in animal science, and so there's kind of that background there to understand how to work with animals and how to take care of animals. And then from there, I went to graduate school and received my PhD in neuroscience. So better understanding of how the brain functions and how to treat the brain. And so I got my PhD and my bachelor's degree from University of Georgia. So I started doing undergraduate research with a professor here in the Animal Dairy Science Department, and he was doing stem cell biology, and I thought that was very interesting. So I ended up joining his lab for graduate school. And so he actually signed on initially to do all in vitro stem cell differentiation and reprogramming cells, things like that. And then he kind of shifted while I was in graduate school, where we started applying our stem cell therapies to neural injuries. The best advice that I've ever been given that I feel like young people should really hone in on is to, learn as much as you can, immersing yourself in those different opportunities and working as hard as you can. And I feel like if you do those two things, that those opportunities for, finding a good career and being successful are always going to present themselves.